Hello everyone. This video is regarding the LinkedIn Learning program which Jain University has undertaken. Okay, you will receive an email from Jain Team to be University in the social tab. Okay, generally we tend to check only the primary tab and we figure out that we have not received the mail, but in the social tab or sometimes in the spam folder even you can check whether you have got the email or not. So once you go to social tab, you will get a mail like this: Jain deemed to be University, unlock access to your LinkedIn Learning account. Okay, you need to click on this and you will get LinkedIn Learning. Okay, this mail. Okay, so in this mail you need to click on get started, and once you click there you will be directed to LinkedIn Learning sign-in page. If the students has the LinkedIn profile, then they can directly log in from here using their own email ID, whichever they have used to log in to sign into LinkedIn account, or they can click here join now and they can create the LinkedIn account and join. Okay. Now if you have a LinkedIn account, it will just confirm the it will ask you to confirm the identity. You can accept and continue. And once you have clicked on that link, once you have clicked on this link, again you cannot click on the link to get start. Okay, once you click, the link will expire. So directly the LinkedIn Learning page will get opened. Okay, LinkedIn Learning page is there. Okay, you can see the Jain University Jain logo over here, and you can just browse the thing and you can get start, or you can search whatever skills related or subjects related courses you want to access. Many of the videos are not that big. If you can see, the video size is 2 minutes. 2 minutes to 3 minutes, like that. Okay, you can complete the entire course in a day or so. Okay, and if you see here, suppose you log out and log in again to your LinkedIn profile, and then suppose this is your profile. Suppose this is your profile, and this is not the learning page of LinkedIn, so you cannot access the courses from here. You can see a learning icon is there. If you click there, okay, you will be directed to the LinkedIn Learning page. Okay, this icon represents that this account has been linked to the LinkedIn Learning page. Okay, so you will get directed to the LinkedIn page. And suppose if you want to come here from your main profile, you can just go here. Suppose if you want to come out of the LinkedIn Learning page and you want to go to your profile, then you can just click on here and go to your LinkedIn profile. Okay, thank you.